squishy pack. And we buy 3 at Thailand. Okay, so let's get started. So I opened all of that because I very bored. So the first one I choose this. This is Eat Me. And open the plastic bag. And then okay, I love squishy keychain. And then they say this Eat Me Love. Yeah, very squishy. Okay, let's go on to the second one. The second one, which is this. I got this at Thailand also. This is the second one. And the back of this has colors IDK weapon. That's so cute. It's very like okay, let's go to the last one. Yes. The emoji. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. It's also quite squishy. Can you see it? It smells very good, okay? So, bye guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below any videos to let me to post anything. And yeah, bye.